this is Danu. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful invitation card for naming ceremony. I already made invitation cards for baby boy and I also made hampers for baby girl and baby boy. I will leave the tutorial video link in description. If you guys like my videos, give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. First, we're gonna need to print the images. I will leave the images link in the description. Glitter foam sheet, white chart, satin ribbon, paper punching machine, double-sided tape, glue and scissors. First, we are going to cut out the images. For that, I am going to draw an outline so that we can easily cut it out. I will add the material list in the description and I also add the Amazon link for that products. Now I'm going to cut out the images using a scissors. Let's cut out the other images also. I edited this text in InShot and I will also add the app link in the description. Now I'm taking a plain hot air balloon and I'm going to cut out the white space. For that I'm going to use a paper cutter. First, I am going to cut it out in a center so that we can easily cut that layer using a scissor. Now I am going to cut out the other side. Repeat the same steps. Now I am taking a glitter foam sheet. Glitter foam sheet will give the embossing look to our card. Now I am going to stick the glitter foam sheet using a glue. Take a white chart and draw the outline of a hot air balloon. Now cut it out. Now I'm going to stick the chart using a double-sided tape. Now I'm going to add some stickers using a double-sided tape. Now I'm taking a white glitter foam sheet, draw the image and cut it out. Now I'm going to stick this using a glue. Now I'm taking another hot air balloon. Make a hole using a paper punching machine. Now tie it using a satin ribbon. And cut out the extra ribbons. Ta-da! Our invitation card is ready. Look at this, how pretty, right? If you guys try share this to my Instagram. I hope you guys